My dear students, for centuries, aging has been seen as something we must simply accept. But what if I told you that science is on the brink of changing everything we know about growing older? Across the world, researchers are unlocking the secrets of life itself. One of the most promising breakthroughs is called cellular reprogramming, a technique that may help our cells remember how to be young again. Imagine that, your body's own wisdom, restored. A company called Life Biosciences is preparing for the first ever human trials of this technology. If successful, this could mean a future where age no longer determines our health. But this is not the only path. Scientists are also exploring ways to repair DNA damage, restore mitochondrial energy, and develop medicines that could extend health span and delay the effects of aging. The question is no longer if we can slow aging, but when. And yet, my dear students, while science works its miracles, the choices we make today also shape our future. Movement, good food, a sharp mind, and wise supplementation, these are the foundations of a long and healthy life. The ancient wisdom has always taught us life is not measured in years but in vitality. And now, modern science is catching up to this truth. So tell me, my dear students, if you could stay younger for longer, what would you do with your precious time? Join the conversation. Comment below with your thoughts. Subscribe for more wisdom on longevity and health. Visit avidasana.com for science-backed wellness solutions.